Hello everybody, my name is Cryptic and today we are doing another unboxing video. The beautiful people at Fifine have sent us over their ample tank. The Tank 1. That is an XLR recording microphone. And don't do that. That is quite hefty, I have to tell you. So we're going to have a look what's in the box. So we're going to flip the camera and we'll go from there, shall we? Let's have a look. Okay, excuse my messy mouse mat. But here we go. We've got the box. XLR mic interface, intelligent noise reduction and a mid-boost switch. All metal body, lower cut switch and cardioid polar pattern. Well, it's upside down. Features. Yeah, we'll figure it out, won't we? Clean and crisp. Anti-electromagnetic noise. Heavy duty tank weight 1 kilo. We'll have to get some scales and actually see if that is the case. Oh, stick that out the way there. So we have got a user guide as usual. Oh, nice and small. Might read that, might not. Seems pretty straightforward. Bit of protection. What's this? Okay. So I believe this. See if we can open it. Oh my gosh, this is so difficult. I think this is so you can change the thread size. I'll have to check that out. Don't need you, you can go away. And then, how do you? I don't know how to do this. Maybe flip it over. Nope. Smooth, aren't Oh my days. Well, it's protected. Oh, okay. That is so heavy. Whoa. Oh my neck. Look at that. Filth everywhere. So we've got the Fifine logo there. Nice mesh. Oh, what's that? What is that? Some kind of button, I think. Yeah, Fifine logo again. This thing twists. I assume that's to tighten. Righty-tighty. Yep. Okay, what else we got? We have got, what are these? Maybe we will need the instructions. And made in China, XLR. Yeah, they're alright then. Yep. Oh. Okay, it's so heavy. I need a scale. I've got a scale. 1 sec. What are we on? 894 grams. Let's attach it to a boom. Okay, we're back. So, I haven't gave myself much flex with this, but potentially that should. Don't need you anymore. Get out of the way. I don't know where it can go. There. That should be a decent size. Let me test it out. Oh yeah. Where's my mouse? Keyboard. Hi there. We're gaming. I mean, would it be? I don't know why I feel like I should talk into it now because obviously I'm not. We're gonna test that in a second. But I mean, I think this holds it. You can tighten this. I have it quite tight anyway, so it's a bit more rigid. But I wish I didn't break this bit. But I think it does hold it. But it'll be better when I get my other one, because my other one's one of them ones up and down, and I can just be like, hey, how you doing there? You doing good? Yeah, I'm doing real good. Oh yeah. I mean, it looks really nice. I like it. Need to get you out of the way. I don't know where I can stick you. There, it'll just do there for now. Right. There's not much else we can do. We need to test it. Testing. 1, 2. But yeah, I think it's more of a professional one. Definitely like, what's the box there? So shiny. Yeah, I think it's more maybe for like podcasts. Whereas this one, I mean, this one's nice. I like this one. Nice little microphone in there. Obviously, this one's got your RGB volumes on here. But yeah, need to figure out what them two switches are. I should probably have a look right now before we play around. So the top one is for mid boost. When switched to whoop, the little whoop, instead of the microphone will be more responsive to the mid-range frequency, which allows vocals to be highlighted by default. When switched to boop, the audio at all frequency range that goes through the microphone will remain at the same volume. So the microphone will be responsive to mid-range. What's my voice? My voice changes, I find. And then the other one, which is a flat or a boop, 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 like that. So when it's switched to boop, boop, the microphone will automatically cut off ambient noise at low frequency range to get clearer audio. When switched to boop, the audio at all frequency range that goes through the microphone will remain the same. Tips: there is no XLR cable included. As you see with the unboxing, we just get the hefty boy. Does not need phantom power. Connect to a mixer. We have the Fifine. Why is my camera so wobbly? We have that. So we have the Fifine thing. So let's get cracking. OBS. Okay, I can just use. Did you see that? I pressed my button. Look. OBS. That's another Fifine product. Card link. Okay. So this is a mic. I've got my mixer set to about medium. I'm about that far. What's that? Like 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters. It's. I mean, I think I've got a couple of filters on here, but nothing major. I don't have any filters. I don't have any filters on my audio. Wow, I'm such a noob. So, anywho, this is me talking normal. I'm just gonna push this slider all the way up. Does that sound any different? I don't know. Does it cut out at some point? Headphone warning. Careful. Right, let's just stick it back down to medium, and we're going to click the first one. Wait. Okay. So it is in mode. So does that make it sound any different? I'll have to play it back and listen. How does that sound? Does it sound any different? I'm just going to say something like, hello, my name is Sean. I run Cryptic Media.
Now switch it back. Hello, my name is Sean. I run Cryptic Media. Now we're going to flick the bottom one, which should be... Oh no, that was already on there. Whoop, whoop. So this should just pick up all kinds of sounds. So we'll do that with a keyboard actually. So I would have it probably picking up the mids, maybe. I actually need to listen, so we'll get around to that. And maybe like the background noise not in. Like, does it really make a difference how close I am? So I'm like pretty close right now. That's like centimeter, 2 centimeters. So normally I'd probably have it about here. I'm just trying to keep the same voice and levels as well. Let's aim it at my mouth. And now I'm probably like a good foot away. How's that sound? I don't know, I really need to listen to it. But anywho, so this one, yoink, is on all the sounds. So let's just... I mean, that's a noisy keyboard anyway, so if it did block out some of that, that'd be very good. Now let's switch it, which is the bottom one. So we're going to do it again. Why did my audio desktop go up? What was that about? Who knows? But anyway, I really need to listen to this now. So I'm going to have a listen to this. So I will see you again soon. Hello, hello, hello. Told you there was boxes, we're moving. Told you. Actually, that's a table. Ordered a table before we moved house because that's what we do. Oh gosh, I need to set off and pick up my wife and kid. So anyway, overall, I think the build quality is fantastic. I love the fact that it's all metal, and I love this grill. I mean, I suppose you could always have that one like that, but look at that. Look at the... Sorry, touching the microphone. This is a beast. Just touching the microphone. Just touching the microphone one more time. I'm so sorry. How did it sound in ASMR? I'm just going to recite the alphabet. A. Bottom. Curly fries. Dad. I really don't know what to say, but we can try doing some. Did that actually pick up? Oh, that was saucy. Back to it. I think the build quality is fantastic, and from what I've heard so far, with like no filters or anything, I don't really understand my mixer. I've just got little things that go whoop, whoop, and stick up and down. I should probably learn how to do things better. But yeah, I like this. This is, as soon as I get that boom arm, Amazon, sort yourself out, I will be asking for a partial refund, because you can't say it's going to be delivered and then delay it and then delay it again on the day that it got delayed to an... Hopefully I've demonstrated this enough for you to decide whether or not you would like to buy one. Like, I reckon it'd be quite knowledgeable. You can make this sound excellent. I'm going to attempt to make it sound better. And then, you know what? Maybe I'll start using a microphone in my videos again, because I think it definitely sounds better than the little lavalier microphones that I usually use. But yeah, thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe, or like, or don't like, or comment, or don't comment. Just do you. Yeah, it's nice. I like it. Thank you for watching. As usual, I will see you in the next video.